Careful, careful.
Hi, I'm going to... Oh. Let me shut the door.
I was just telling that you have stolen so much internet.
Hi, I'm going to tell you about, or show you about a problem that you might have had and a very simple solution to it. Now if we look at my phone here, what you'll see is it's behaving really weirdly. It's not actually, it's gone cray-cray basically. It's not responding properly to, touches. It's not, the screen is going weird. Well, there's a very, it's doing stuff sort of by itself. It's not properly responding. I don't want. Okay, well it's basically going mad. There's a very simple solution, and that is unplug it from a charger. Now it's going back to normal. Delete. So now we see it's okay. Now it's back to normal. Okay, what's the reason for that? The reason for that is often, sometimes people will use a different USB charger for their device than the one it was originally designed for. So this, for example, here, the charger I'm using was for actually this camera that I'm filming with now, which has got a very small battery, and the phone has got a much bigger battery. And in those situations, you'll often get a ripple in the voltage produced. That's what causes the phone to go crazy. So if the screen of your phone seems to be misbehaving, or the phone generally seems to be misbehaving when it's plugged into a USB charger that isn't the one that was designed for it, and it's maybe a bit underpowered, that could be the problem. So just try that. Hope that helps.